Hey guys, the Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. Perfect boat for this area. It's great for skinny water fishing, cruising, plenty of room for that. And if you want to poke out of the pass on one of those nice days that we get, plenty of them during the summer, then you can do that as well and feel comfortable. And we have a brand new one here at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. So we're going to start here at the bow of the 251 Coastal. It does have the signature CV2 V-hole design. So the CV2 V-hole design is a variable dead rise. And what it is it's very sharp entry and it flattens out towards the back. It still gives you that good cut through, but it also gives really good stability when there's a little bit of chop out there. You also get a softer landing if you're going into the waves. When it comes down, you don't get that slap. And then you can also stay on plane at lower speeds. So if you like to troll, it's perfect for that too. Right here, we already have it set up with a bracket for a trolling motor that can be easily installed. As we walk down the side, I really do like the colors that Grady uses. They do that for a reason, the pastel colors. It makes it easy on the eyes when the sun hits it. As you can see how it flattens out towards the back here. And at first glance, once you look at the boat, you can see that this has a lot of comfort features. So we're gonna go top side and I'm gonna show you what it has. So I mentioned this is a model where they incorporate a lot more of their comfort features and not just the fishing aspect of it. I mean, you have this nice bench seat right here with the backrest. Those can also be positioned out to give easy access on both sides here. And these can come off and then have a nice casting platform here. You also do have a live well directly under here, very well appointed. And on both sides, you have access to the bilge with an insert that you can use for storing things as well. Here we're at the helm. As Grady's always are, their upholstery, the thickness of their cushions, I mean, it's just a really comfortable spot to be. You do have a nice footrest right here if you want to be sitting down, your legs don't have to be hanging. You do have an adjustable steering wheel. If you're standing up, you can adjust it down if you'd like. And one thing I really like is they have an additional live well here. For everybody who goes fishing, you know that you need to separate the species for fishing to different species. That's perfect for that. Have plenty of real estate right here to add electronics, a couple screens, add a couple cell phone holders, and you also have digital throttle and digital steering. I mean, this operation of this boat is just amazing. One thing about Grady being built for the fishermen is that from factory they don't install the electronics, which, you know, for some people they question why that is. Well, people who have fished for a long time or been on multiple different boats, they like a certain setup. And what we do here at MarineMax is we let you choose your electronics, then we configure it the way you like, and then we install the electronics on there. So here we are at the bow where you'll be doing a lot of your entertaining. As you can see, this does have a backrest that electronically actuates down or up. This does also have a filler set up here for a cushion, but if you wanted to put the filler in and take all the cushions off, this is an excellent casting platform up here. This does have a spot for a table as well, so that just adds to the entertaining features as we go along. This does have a JL audio system, which is top of the line. It's a top of the line stereo system. It sounds great. As I mentioned, this is the Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. It has been a big seller for Grady-White for a long time because of how versatile the boat is. It combines everything that you need in this area, from entertaining to fishing and everything in between. If you'd like to swing by and check this boat out or anything else we have on the lot, swing by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and ask for Jay.